Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to notify team on Slack for new Facebook lead ads lead for your retail store. So I am running a retail store and I'm promoting my store on Facebook page by running an ad campaign. Now through that ad campaign, I'm receiving a lot of leads, and now what I want is I want to automatically send a notification message on Slack to notify my team about the new lead that I'm going to receive for my retail store from Facebook lead ads. So here for my objective, I need to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new lead for my retail store from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to send a notification message on Slack for my new lead. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can automate retail store leads from Facebook lead ads to Slack notifications. So I manage the marketing operations for a retail business, and capturing leads from Facebook lead ads is crucial for growing our customer base. So to streamline this process, I've set up an automation that automatically notifies my team on Slack for my new lead received. So this will make it easier for my team to follow up and nurture these leads effectively, and by automating this process, I can save time on manual checking the new leads, reduce the chances of losing valuable leads, and this will enhance my overall communication strategy. So here, by setting up this automation between Facebook lead ads and Slack, what I can do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads for my retail store business, then automatically a notification message will be sent on Slack for that new lead. And with this notification message, it will notify my team about the new lead that I've received for my retail store through Facebook lead ads. So here I'm going to automate and integrate Facebook lead ads with Slack, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for this, I just need to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and Slack, and that too without any coding and programming skills. So here I'm just going to set up this automation and this connection, and for that I need to use Pabbly Connect. So for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab, and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in, and we will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to automate retail store leads from Facebook lead ads to Slack notification. Now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So I need to first set up my trigger, and here in our workflow, I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. So here for setting up my trigger, what I need to do is I need to search for my trigger application, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select that, and I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I need to click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I have to click on continue to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my page and the lead generation form for generating the lead. So here for this, let me first take you to my Facebook page. And here this is my Facebook page for my retail store, that is the corner collection. And in this page, I'm running my ad campaign, and through this ad campaign, I'm generating a lot of leads. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I need to first select my page. So for selecting the page, you need to open this tab. And here in this tab, you'll find all the pages that you have in your Facebook account. And you can select any particular page that you want to use. I'm going to use this page of the corner collection, so it is already selected. Now I have to select my lead gen form. So you can open this tab, and here you will find all the lead generation forms that you have in your Facebook page, and you can use any particular lead generation form that you want to use, or you can use all the lead generation form for generating the lead and getting the data of those leads. So I'm going to select all lead gen forms here, and now I have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here for getting the lead data, you need to make sure that your lead generation form is live, and as you will receive a new lead for your retail store, or you will receive any lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically the detail of that lead will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So for this, I need to first click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a sample submission, and in my sample submission, I'm going to generate a new lead for my retail store. So here I'm going to generate a test lead, and for that what I need to do is I need to use Meta for Developer. So for this, let me take you to Meta for Developer, and here in Meta for Developer, I need to go to Resources, and here in Resources, I have this particular option of Developer Tools. So I'm going to open this. And now in Developer Tools, I need to scroll down, and I'm going to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here in my tool of Lead Ads Testing tool, I have these two options of page and the form. So here my page and form is already selected. So here my page is the corner collection, and this is my lead generation form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this preview form button. I'm going to fill my form, and I'm going to submit that form with the dummy details so that it will create a new lead, and it will send the data of that lead to Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click here. Now here this is my form, and I'm going to fill this form with the dummy details. So here the first name is going to be Michael, last name will be Karas, email will be michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and I'm going to give a city, that is going to be Indore. And now I have submitted all my details. Now here I have filled all the required detail of my lead, and now I'm going to click on continue. I will click on submit. And here I have successfully submitted my lead generation form, and I have generated this lead. Now what I need to do is I need to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So here this is my response of the lead that I have generated in Facebook lead ads, and here this is my lead for my retail store. So I have the first name, that is Michael, I have the last name, that is Karas, I have the email address, that is michaelkaras@pabblytudes.com, and I have received the random phone number of my lead and the city, that is Indore. So here we can see I have received all the detail of my lead here in this response in Pabbly Connect. And now what I need to do is that as I've received all the detail of my lead and I've generated a new lead for my retail store, then automatically I want to send a notification message on Slack, and I want to notify my team about the new lead that I have received through Facebook lead ads for my retail store. So here for sending the notification message on Slack, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Slack. So I'm going to search for that, and I'm going to select Slack here. Now I have to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and send channel message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection, and I need to click on connect with Slack. So I'm going to do that. Now first I need to select my token type, and here I can either use user or bot as my token type. So I'm going to type user here, and I'm going to click on save. And now I have to scroll down, and I need to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to do that. And here I have successfully connected Slack with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. Now what I need to do is I need to first select my channel, and I'm going to select the channel where I want to send my notification message for my Facebook lead ads lead of my retail store. So for this, let me take you to Slack, and here in Slack I have this particular channel of Facebook leads. So this is going to be my channel where I'm going to send the notification message and I'm going to notify my team. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and for selecting my channel I need to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the channels that I have in my Slack account, and I'm going to search for my channel, that is Facebook leads, and I'm going to select that. Now what I need to do is I need to give my message, that will be my notification message, and in this message I'm also going to add all the detail of my lead. So here my message will be new Facebook lead received, and I'm going to add the lead details, like I'm going to add the lead name, email, phone number and the city. Connect with this lead as soon as possible. So this is going to be my notification message for every new lead that I'm going to receive for my retail store from Facebook lead ads. So in this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my response of Facebook lead ads new lead, and I'm going to map those responses here in this message. So from my response of Facebook lead ads, I'm going to use all the responses of my lead and I'm going to map those details here in this message. So for that, I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here I need to map the first name and the last name of my lead. So I'm going to first map the first name, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. Similarly, I'm going to map the email address, so I need to click here, I will give a space, I will open this response of Facebook lead ads, and here this is my email address. Now I'm going to map the phone number, and I'm going to map the city. Now I have mapped all the required details, and I have mapped all these details, so I have made all these details dynamic. Now every time I'm going to receive a new response of the lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new lead details in the real time, and I'm going to send a notification message on Slack with all the new lead details. Now I've filled all the required details. Now I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a notification message automatically on my Slack channel with my lead details. Now to check whether I've sent a message or not, let me take you to Slack. And here in Slack, we can see I have received this new message that says new Facebook lead received, and I have the lead details, like I have the name, that is Michael Karras, I have the email, that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com, I have the random phone number of my lead, and I have the city, that is Indore. Also my message ends with connect with this lead as soon as possible. So here we can see I have sent this notification message automatically on Slack with all my lead details that I have received for my retail store from Facebook lead ads. So here I have successfully automated Facebook lead ads with Slack, and now every time I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to send a notification message on Slack for that particular lead. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Metaphor Developer, I'm going to close this window, and I'm going to delete this lead. Now what I need to do is I need to again preview this form, and I need to fill my form with dummy details to create a new lead. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to fill my form. So here my first name is going to be John, last name is going to be Doe, email will be johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to give a random phone number, and I'm going to give a city, and my city is going to be Bhopal. Now I have filled all the required detail of my lead. Now I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to submit this form. Now as I have submitted this form, I have created this new lead for my retail store. And now what should happen is that as I've created this lead in Facebook lead ads, then automatically a notification message should be sent on Slack for this particular lead. So to check whether I've received a notification message on Slack or not, let me take you to Slack. And here in Slack, I'm on my channel of Facebook leads. And in this, we can see I have received this new message that says new Facebook lead received. And in this, I have my lead details, like I have the name, that is John Doe. I have the email, that is johndoe@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number of my lead, and the city is Bhopal. And my message ends with connect with this lead as soon as possible. So here we can see I have successfully sent this notification message on Slack with my lead details from Facebook lead ads for my retail store. So here I've successfully automated and connected Facebook lead ads with Slack, and I'm automatically sending notification message on Slack for every new lead that I'm going to receive for my retail store from Facebook lead ads. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, I have automated Facebook lead ads with Slack for sending the notification message on Slack for every new lead that I'm going to receive for my retail store from Facebook lead ads. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I've set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I've set up my actions tab, and my action application was Slack, and my action event was send channel message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to add the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.